The #1 health improvement plan of 2023 is Weight Watchers. This is the closely guarded secret. In the event that you've made it your main goal to get thinner this year, you're presumably pondering where to start your excursion. Weight reduction is genuinely an extraordinary interaction for everybody, except it's continuously motivating to realize where the ongoing publicity lies with regards to consuming less calories. For example, the U.S. News & World Report delivered a few rankings for the very best eating regimens of the year, and we're here to spill the tea. The U.S. News & World Report enrolled the assistants of their well-being master board to rate a sum of 24 eating regimens in view of how successful these projects are for weight reduction. They concocted the top weight reduction diets of 2023, so you have an assortment to look over in light of your own inclinations. Obviously, number 1 is, indeed, number 1, so we're focusing on precisely that. The #1 program of the Best Weight Reduction Slims Down for 2023 is Weight Watchers, as per the U.S. News & World Report. Continue to peruse to figure out how it functions, and next, don't miss the best 5 eating regimens for quicker weight reduction in 2023, uncovered. Gear up for a sound and feasible method for getting thinner. On its site, Weight Watchers uncovers the program, changes your relationship with food. So don't anticipate encountering any of those feared, on a tight eating routine sentiments. Supported by a group of Weight Watchers specialists, the program is established in the most current, sustenance and conduct science. You'll respond to a few brief inquiries after joining that help Weight Watchers in computing your metabolic rate. From that point forward, the group will organize a customized eating program that advances solid, feasible weight reduction. As opposed to counting calories, Weight Watchers works with focuses, which think about the fiber, added sugars, protein, immersed fats, and unsaturated fats in a specific food, so you know precisely exact thing you're placing into your body. Your arrangement will incorporate a Focus's financial plan, and how you spend really depends on you. Wine on night out. Sunday early lunch. Birthday cake. No food, occasion, or festivity is untouchable, Weight Watchers make sense of. In the event that you end up with practically no more focuses on a given day, don't pressure. Weight Watchers 0-point food sources dip in to make all the difference. These dietary forces to be reckoned with can be delighted in at whatever point you please, and the best part is, you don't need to quantify or observe them. Weight Watchers has an incredible 200+ 0-point food sources to look over that will leave you feeling full, including eggs, poultry, tofu, tempeh, organic product, without fat yogurt, curds, corn, beans, lentils, and peas. You'll flawlessly have the option to keep steady over your customized eating plan, Focus's financial plan, rest, action, and weight trackers on the Weight Watchers application. The application is likewise home to in excess of 12,000 scrumptious recipes, an eatery dataset, and exercises all wellness levels can appreciate. Take the test, join, and begin your Weight Watchers process today.